What's up, everybody? Coming to you from the basement. Not very good on the floor, but just roll a little joint, trying to be quiet. Maybe I'll fucking put this over here and talk to you guys, see what's up. See what's up with you fucking guys, eh? So it's just painting. Painting? Yeah. It's fucking kind of fucked, but whatever. Taking a break, smoking a, rolling a joint. Gonna say hi to you guys. Gonna tell you what's up again. I had lots of fun on live stream Instagram this morning. Can't do live stream YouTube, need 1,000 subscribers. I don't think I have 35. So that's not fucking happening. You're just gonna get my pre-recorded bullshit. This is a fucking pre-recorded message from Select Cut Seeds. We are all fucked. Thank you. Did you guys hear in the news today that fucking Trumpy wants to send some troops to the Canadian border? Fuck, I think we should send some British UN troops to the American border. Those fucking crazy motherfuckers are out of control. Them and their spring break, eh? And their fucking economy bullshit. Insane. Do you guys see the price of gas? 69 cents? Holy fuck. You know, when I got my license, 15 and a half, 16, I remember gas being 55 cents. That was like way too long ago. Swear to God, I have a spider on me. Maybe I'm tripping out. Anyway, what are you guys all getting up to today? Sun's shining. Are you stuck indoors painting? Probably not. Are you gathering supplies at Costco? More than likely. Good luck with that. Never liked Costco. I always thought there was something fucked about that place. Remember the movie with Ryan Reynolds? Was it Ryan Reynolds? Where he worked at Costco? There was another one where there was fucking alien invasion at Costco. With, what the fuck's that guy's name? I don't know. There's always something fucked about Costco. Stay the fuck away from Costco. Don't go there. Fucking hot dogs are not worth it, man. Guess I could use some of my sketchbook. Probably time for a new one. This one's getting pretty full. Fuck, I wish I had more to say to you guys, man, but I haven't left the house in a week. Been bunkered down like the rest of y'all. It's kind of lonely, not gonna lie. At least on live stream I could see people sending messages and putting emojis, and I don't know, get to interact with people. This is just me sitting here like a retard trying to entertain myself. Yeah, gas. You know what? Maybe you guys don't know, but if you ever need anything, get a hold of me on Instagram, Select Cut Seeds at Instagram, or Facebook, Manitoba Medical Cannabis Association Facebook page, or YouTube. I think it's just Select Cut at YouTube. Yeah, man, anything you guys need, be glad to help. If you need to find some medicine, if you don't know where to get your medicine, I don't think we'll need to help anybody fill out medical papers anymore. This world's fucked. But man, if you just wanna talk shop, man, you hit me up. I'm always around. Alright. Alright. Okay. Bring you guys over here. Oh, 5 minutes. I never talk 5 fucking minutes. It's the joint I rolled. That's all I got to say. If you guys have a great day, and we'll check you guys later. Peace.